In 1820, Danish physicist Hans Christian Oersted accidentally discovered that an electric current flowing through a wire deflects a nearby magnetic compass needle. This seminal experiment demonstrated that moving charges create a surrounding magnetic field, proving a fundamental link between electricity and magnetism, and establishing the basis for electromagnetism. To demonstrate the experiment, we need a simple wire, a compass, and suddenly, electricity starts talking to magnetism. In Oersted's experiment, we connect a 10-volt battery to a circuit with a key switch, rheostat, and ammeter, and place a straight wire just above a magnetic compass. The moment the key is pressed, current flows through the wire and boom, the compass needle deflects. That tiny movement proves something revolutionary. An electric current produces a magnetic field around the wire. Adjust the rheostat, watch the ammeter change, and see how the compass deflection increases or decreases with current strength. Switch off the key and the needle snaps back to north-south like nothing happened. Simple setup, powerful result. This experiment changed physics forever by revealing the magnetic effect of electric current. Before you go, only 3% of you are subscribed. If this video helped you even a little, hit that subscribe button and become part of the Science Squad.